Hey, Matt Man's back. So I've agreed to buy all these coins here. These big plastic bags, really heavy. See if I can figure out how much it is by weighing it. Okay, end up tearing the bag. So I got it on there and we got 17 pounds, 10 ounces. And the second bag is 12.9 pounds. So that's 30 pounds, 3 ounces. So I can use that as a check. Because what I'm going to do, I'm going to sort these out by denomination and then weigh each group, and knowing how much each coin weighs, figure out an amount. And then I'll count it and see how close it is. So that's the plan, and I'll come back after I get all this sorted out. Okay, I got it all sorted out. Pennies, nickels, dimes. Didn't quite expect so many quarters. Filled up the tub plus some extras. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to weigh out all of these batches. Alright, the quarters weigh 15 pounds, 3 ounces. Yeah, so here the dimes are 2 pounds, 11 ounces. And I am tearing it out, so don't worry about that. And the nickels are 4 pounds, 7 ounces. And the pennies are 7 pounds, 12 ounces. Alright, those are the quarters. Now I converted the 15 pounds, 3 ounces into grams and then divided that by the 5.67. That's how much a new quarter weighs. That tells me how many quarters. $303. That's what I predict is there. So dimes, I came up with $53.70. I think I'm going to be making $20 is my prediction on these nickels, and $13.50 on these pennies. Now, there's two kinds of pennies. There's copper pennies that weigh 3.1 grams each, and there are zinc pennies that weigh 2.5 grams each. It's my experience that about 20% of coins in jars today contain about 20% copper and about 80% zinc. So I did $105 of pennies one time and came out 2 cents short. So we'll see how this does. These predictions is what I would pay if someone wanted to sell them quick and didn't want to wait and add them, didn't have time to add them up or roll them up or do anything. And there's a lot of coins here. It's a lot of work. It took over an hour to sort it just this way. And, you know, it's down and dirty. But we'll see how close I was. Well, this is almost embarrassing. I came within 4 cents. That's $5, that's $10, that's $3.40, and 6 cents is $3.46. And I predicted $13.50 onto the nickels. Oh, not so good this time. I counted out $20.30. So I was over by 30 cents, which is 1.5%. Yep. Onto the dimes. Okay, I finished up. I neglected to do the dimes. So what I ended up there, I predicted I was going to get $53.70, and I ended up with $54.40. And so again, I'm off by, what is it, 7 coins. And on the quarters, it was the same thing. I predicted that I would get $303, and I got $304.25. So that was 5 coins off. What I need to do is add a few coins in every one of these calculations in order to account for wear. The more they wear down, the more coins will fit into the given weight. Okay, so now I can pay for all of these. So the reason why you go through this is it took me a solid hour to separate out this $400 into the denominations. And then just by weighing them, I can come up with a pretty dang close amount on what's in there. Then 1% of the value of it just by weighing it and calculating it. Down and dirty, person being paid should be happy, and you spend a whole lot of time. Then you can, so now I can take and at my leisure search these, and that's the whole point. You get these so you can search them out, look for varieties, errors. That's equivalent, that's a little more than half a box of pennies. That's only about 20 rolls of nickels. That's a little less than that's a little less than 11 rolls of dimes, and that's 30 plus rolls of quarters. I'm going to combine these with the ones I already have and save them, and then do a video on a search of all of them. And I think I'll start by doing a cut and fill on the quarters and do all the clad quarters from this, the early Eaglebacks all the way up to the history, to the women's series and the quarters that are being made today. So look forward to that. If you guys want to help me out, subscribe to my channel. Every subscription helps me. Hit that like button, share it with your friends. I want to get this thing going. Talk to you later.